Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. I'm bringing you a simple, everyday, beginner-friendly eyebrow tutorial. I'm jumping right in using my BH Cosmetics brow and lash brush to get my hairs nice and neat. Now I'm using my favorite Rimmel London eyebrow pencil in the shade Black Brown. Short, quick strokes because we don't want a heavily penciled in brow. I'm going up to create the arch, and then I'm bringing it back down. I'm going back over my brows with my BH Cosmetics spoolie to make sure I blend in that product, as well as get my hairs back in place. I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. This shade blends right into my skin, and I'm going to use it for the top and the bottom of my brow because it's going to blend right in, and it's just going to give me a nice, clean, everyday brow. This is the method I use most of the time. It works perfectly. I can use a lighter concealer if I choose to, but this works fine for any look you're going for. Now moving to the top of the brow, doing the same thing. I'm gonna outline it and go up so I can really make that arch pop, and then I'm gonna bring it back down. Yes. And now to blend. I like to use a generic flat makeup sponge. I use this because you can easily blend in just one or two sweeps, So I'm blending out the bottom, getting as close as I can to that line, but keeping it nice and sharp, and taking it to the top now. And like I mentioned before, you could just blend it in one sweep, like, hey, yes. And then you just go in and like clean up just to make sure you got all of the concealer. But this is like the easiest method for me. I do it every day. So I'm just going around the brow, making sure I clean up all of the concealer. Now I'm getting rid of that unibrow and smoothing out the front of those brows. And here's the finished brow. If you found this helpful, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and thank you for watching. Later.